From a market's point of view, as I said earlier as well, the mood has clearly changed from extreme pessimism and extreme fear to a sigh of relief. And why I'm saying is, I'll just try to explain with some data as well. You know, there has been a bit of outperformance in the broader market, so that's helped the sentiment. And also some bit of momentum is back in some of the momentum stocks. So look at Adani Enterprise for this week. You know, on Monday it hit a low of 1111. And on Friday, it closed at 1890, more than a 50% move in this particular stock. Of course, the news about fundraising has helped, but there has been a bit of an uptick in that particular stock. Similarly, was the case with Macrotech Developers. This week, Macrotech Developers has rallied 42% after hitting a low of 711 on Monday. So, you know, clearly there is a bit of momentum back. And for the entire week, the feedback was that while the Nifty and Sensex are range, there is a bit of outperformance in the broader market. So that's helping. The last bit is the Friday rally in the bank stocks. That was one thing where a lot of investors were overloaded, and now you're seeing a bit of a relief rally in the bank stocks as well. So that's also going to help a lot of investor sentiment at the margin, because they were stuck in many of those things. But now again, the big worrying factor for the market has been the supply overhang, and that continuously is going on. We saw big stake sale from SoftBank in delivery. We saw big Adani Group selling 3-4% stakes and raising 15,000 crores. My sense is this trend is going to continue maybe next week as well. So there is a lot of feedback that at least 4 to 5 large blocks are in the pipeline and can work out next week. So that's going to be a supply overhang. But I guess from a sentiment point of view, there has been a shift from sheer fear to a bit of sigh of relief, given the kind of rally we've seen in this week, not only in the broader markets but in the Adani groups as well.
All right, Nimesh.